Oh, that one's nice. Let me get that in C2.
I like that.
Yeah. A nice black king. Very cool. Is there a prairie king in the next layer? Oh my God, there is! That's
that was
cool.
a nice one, man.
Yeah, that one's like, well, how would you describe that color? That's awesome.
Right.
Dude, what?
Poop coming, but yeah.
That's sweet, dude.
Like
all right,
that.
all right. Or not, but. I reckon not.
Yeah,
First one. And he's kind of nice. Yeah.
Yeah. Move on him, please. I'll just get the sun on him a little bit. Thank you. There we go.
Yeah,
Your head shouldn't thing.
that's awesome. He's not in shed.
There's a